Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify with Amazon. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you open your internet browser, log in right now to myshopify.com so you can easily follow along with the instructions. Now for our first step here, we are going to go and hover our mouse to apps. We're going to click on it. Now we are going to be redirected to the search bar. And then in here, we are going to be searching for Spread R or Spreader. Now we will be redirected once again to another tab, and this will be at apps.shopify.com. Once you are here, look for Amazon Importer Spreader app. Tap on it. Once you are here, you will see a button that says Add App. Just tap on the black button this time. Once you tap on it, you will need to wait for the website to finish fully loading. In here, there will be an installation process. It only needs your affirmation by clicking on the Install App button, the green one on the upper right. Once you're okay, tap on it. In here, you'll need to wait for the website to finish fully loading. This might take some time, but hang in there. I'll be here waiting with you as well. In a matter of few seconds or a few minutes, you will now be redirected to spreader.co. Once you are here, let's wait for the website to finish fully loading once again. In here, to get started, you will have steps 1 to 3. First is to integrate the code and then join Amazon. All you have to do is click on the button that says Amazon Associates. Again, wait for the website to finish fully loading. There's a lot of waiting and patience game over at this tutorial, so if I were you, hang in there, because it will be all worthwhile. Once the website has finally loaded, you'll be sent to affiliateprogram.amazon.com because this is under Amazon Associates. In here at Recommended Products and Earn Commissions, all you have to do is sign up. Once you're done, from there, you can easily sign up for Amazon Associates and then sign in. After signing in, you should be all good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.